The reports of the bus contract scam are indeed very, very disturbing. The Scandinavian government's report points a finger at India's central government, various ministers, various state governments, and even then, the Prime Minister's office is absolutely silent on this. The same Prime Minister who used to speak about probity in public life is today forced to be silent. He does not even want to talk about this. We get an obscure statement from the office of a minister. This is a finger pointing at the highest level of the government. I will produce some proof here. These are pictures of various ministers, including the Prime Minister, with the management of Scania. If you actually go on to see, this is the Prime Minister with their CEO, various pictures there. There are various pictures with Mr. Gadkari. There are also pictures with Vasundhara Raje, who was then the Rajasthan Chief Minister. Here's Mr. Gadkari, the Surface Transport Minister then, the Prime Minister again. What you actually see is also India's Law Minister, the IT and Telecom Minister, Ravi Shankar Prasad ji. At some point in time, somebody in this government will have to explain what was happening here. They will have to answer a very basic question. Who is responsible for this? Their absolute silence, their conspicuous silence cannot be ignored, and their absolute conspicuous silence is on account of this government's complicity. There is no other reason why they are silent. Look at these pictures, and they tell you a tale of a lot of proximity. They tell you a tale of lack of accountability. We demand there be a judicial inquiry into this. We demand that the government of India takes this into cognizance and issues a statement and clarify its position. Because this is a strange case where somebody who has offered the bribe has accepted that a bribe has been offered. But the bribe has been received by a certain section who are absolutely quiet. And this goes all the way up to the Prime Minister's office because he was involved with the various contracts and various signing, and he's a part of all of these meetings. We demand an inquiry into this, and we hope that the government will take this into cognizance and not brush it under the carpet just like many other scams in its regime